Online course creation explained step by step. Don't forget to follow or subscribe.
Online course creation step 2 then is topic selection. So we've understood what you're good at, but this doesn't automatically mean you just go rushing out and make a course about whatever you feel. You need to identify topics that sell, but you also need to identify topics that solve pain and problem points. Don't create a general course about X, Y, or Z. Create a course about how to fix something if X, Y, and Z goes wrong. One of the best ways to research this is go and look at Amazon in their bestseller list in your niche. Open up and have a look inside and look at the topics and the areas they're covering, and you can get some good hints from the list of contents to see the sorts of areas that you might be able to cover as well. And if you want to go a step further, try and pre-qualify the need for your course by talking to 2 or 3 people you know who are your target audience and ask them what they need help with, because that's one of the best ways to find out what you should be creating in the way of a course topic. Always, always, always focus on the pain or problem of your audience, and your course has to very clearly set out to solve that pain or problem. Every course has to deliver a solution. It has to take your student from point A, where they are now in pain and having a problem, to point B, where they're problem-free. Difficult to say that, problem-free. So it's critically important that you design your course with this in mind. Think about the acronym WIIFM. If you haven't heard about it, it's what's in it for me. And that is what will be in the brain of your student when they're looking at the course topic and deciding whether to enroll in your course. Is this going to help me? What's in it for me if I take this course? And if you can answer that question for them, you're going in the right direction.